We now ask Professor Muri from the Northwest University, like me, he's also a retired soul, to come and announce to us the winners of the graduate students of the papers that they presented. Please give a hand to Professor Muri. And he's been around almost as long as I've been around.
Thank you. Well, good evening. Are you listening to me? Okay, be quiet now because we are on the serious matters now. The prizes for the PhD and the MSc presentation is tomorrow. But we are here for something else. But I want to say two things. First, when I saw the dancers, then I said, oh, I wish I was young as them. Then I said, then what? I couldn't dance like them. A Persian man cannot dance. The other thing was this. I was a deputy president of the society for 4 years. I am the only one who still has to do something. The rest of them are drunk. The president is drunk there. Nigel is sitting there enjoying himself with his beautiful wife. I don't even see the new president. And I am the only one from them that enjoy drinking wine, but I cannot drink because I have to perform some other duties. Anyway, to serious issues now. South African Math Society, as you know, is the very important organization for us as a mathematician. And we have two very important awards. One is for research distinction. It's given to the mathematicians that actually has been very good in research in South Africa. And the other one is for advancement of mathematics, the people that they are serving mathematics in South Africa for a long time. And what we do, as a deputy president, every year, we advertise it in the notices of the South African Math Society, and we call for nomination by members. Members can nominate anybody that they can feel is deserved. Be quiet, please. And for 2001, we only got one nomination for the research distinction. And we send the people that they nominate, they will send the motivation with the CV. Then we appoint two very high-level assessors. They will review them. They come back to us with a referees report. Then I will appoint a committee of top mathematicians in South Africa. We looked at them, and then we will decide whether to give the prize or not. Anyway, we strongly endorsed the recommendation by the referees and by the assessors, and all recommendations submitted to the South African Math Society Council, so it's a lengthy business. And I'm very glad to announce that tonight, before you go to dinner, this is the most important part of our job, we will give recognition to one of our best. Two mathematicians from the University of Pretoria, they nominated. The people that they nominated, the candidate, which I will give you who it is, the nomination came by the Professor Angelov and Anton Straat, nominated Professor Jean Lobuma from University of Pretoria for research distinction. In recognition of Professor Lobuma's considerable international standing and contributions to the areas of non-standard finite difference methods and domain singularity boundary value problems. I am just now, if I want to spend here, I can spend the whole night, of the commendation, but don't worry, I'm only citing few comments from international referees. Professor Lebuma is one of the best specialists in PDEs. Everybody should know what is PDEs. He enjoys considerable international recognition for his significant contribution to the understanding of the domain singularity of the boundary value problems. He is a leading international scholar, be quiet please, in the area of the non-standard finite difference method. One of his articles, which was published, attracted more than 70 citations. Citations, if you publish a, say, paper in medicine, you can get thousands of publications. For me, one of my papers, I'm very happy. I got about 40 citations. Usually you don't cite mathematics that much, but one of his papers got 70 citations. His colloquium vitae is exceptionally impressive, I'm just telling you. The quality of his publication, I want to mention that we have reached in South Africa to the state of maturity as far as research is concerned. Now we should concentrate on quality. NRF, government from now on in the next few years, they don't have the money to just dish it out based on a number of publications. It will be based on the quality. So the quality of his publications and the journals in which they are published are extremely high. Some of the journals, they are very French title, I cannot pronounce them. But two of them I can mention. One of them is Proceeding of the Royal Society of London. And the other one is the SAMS Journal of Numerical Analysis. But these are the top journals in the area. He is currently the head of the mathematics at University of Pretoria. It's amazing that as a high researcher, he's giving excellent service even in administration to the department. And he demonstrated distinction in everything he does, whether it's research or his administration. He received outstanding academic achiever awards from University of Pretoria twice. He gave 2 keynote addresses in South African Math Society. One was in the 2000, and the other one was 2007. So that was a summary. I don't think you expect me to read all. I can if you want to. Therefore, South African Math Society, the ex-council, the new council, all the members are so proud that to announce that Professor Jean Lebuma is the winner of the Distinction Award for 2011. It really gives me a great pleasure that we have gave the award to somebody because of his high quality achievements. I now ask, I've done my job. Where is the new president? You're not drunk. Okay. No, I now ask the new president to present the award. Thank you.
Thank you. It gives me great pleasure to honor Professor Lebuma in this way. Congratulations. Well deserved. Now you have to give a speech.